So today let's talk about how to running in a car. A new vehicle should be run in over a distance of 1,500 kilometers. For the first 1,000 kilometers, the engine speed should not exceed 2 of 3 of the maximum permissible engine speed itself. Do not use a full throttle, and from 1,000 to 1,500 kilometers we can gradually increase the engine RPM and road speed. During its first few hours of running, the internal friction in the engine is greater than later on when all the moving parts have bedded down. How the vehicle is driven for the first 1,500 kilometers also influenced the engine quality. After this period, you should continue driving at a moderate engine speed, in particular when the engine is cold. This helps to reduce wear and tear on the engine and increase the potential mileage, which can be covered by the engine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.